This is a tutorial for your side climb, so you should already have some variation of your front climb first, just so you're building up the strength in the arms. With side climb, some people find much easier than front climb, and there are a few common mistakes that I've seen over the years that I will enlighten you to right now, so you don't make the same mistakes. So we've got the inside arm just on the pole, so you're not too close because there's going to be no space for your legs, okay? So you want to lower that down, lean away a little bit, and that lean away is going to be really important when it comes to getting the actual climb up the pole. So I'm on a static pole right now as well, so you might want to be as well. Outside arm just underneath the top arm, and then what I'm going to do from there is just sit down, and I'm going to bring this bottom foot, the front of the foot there is going to go behind there, and the knees are going to meet. Okay, so I'll just show you what that looks like. You don't need to do the kick. Just add a clicky knee, so over there, drop, just try that a few times, drop, and now we're going to develop that a little bit more. So the technique that I use is hand, pull, leg, hand, pull, leg, okay, or hand, leg, pull, hand, leg, pull, okay, people do it in different variations, so show you. So we've got there, drop, find this position. I'm going to pull, hand, I'm not standing up too high. I'm pushing this bottom foot into the pole whilst I lift the top leg, leg, and then a pull, hand, leg. And then obviously if you've got loads of space, you could go higher up. And then to get down, you can release your legs and just slide. Okay, let's talk about it the other way. So pull, hand, leg. That's all you need to remember when you're doing it, and the bottom foot pushing into the pole is absolutely crucial to remember. You need to keep space between your body and the pole. If you climb up too high, you can see there's no space for the body. Okay, let's have a look at that from this side. So we sit down first, remember? There, pull, hand, leg, pull. If that's really very challenging, we can do similar conditioning exercise to what we did in the front climb. So you can just put the leg on, hands on, and you can just pull up and down with that foot on. So there. So that's your side climb. Might be a little bit pinchy at first. It always is. You might get a little bit of a bruise there. It's completely normal. Just take your time and don't expect to do it like in one go, okay? Give yourself a little bit of time, and yeah, play around with it, and with the front climb too.